In this video, I'll be talking about how to be taken seriously in your 20s. This will help you set healthy boundaries and you will not be taken for granted. So let's get right into it. Number one tip I'll be giving you is be respectful to your elders, to strangers, to your friends, loved ones, everybody around you. Please be respectful, be polite, because I don't understand in this 2025 why some people are being rude and mean. You can still say the truth honestly, politely. You have to be respectful. You can't receive what you don't give. Now ask yourself, if this person were to be rich or if this person were to be the president of whatever country you're watching from, how will you treat the person? Won't you treat the person with respect? Carry that in your heart everywhere you go. Treat everybody you meet with respect. Every single body deserves it. My second tip is your words should match your actions. Talk is cheap. As a young lady, as a young woman, as a young adult, as a teenager, your words should carry weight. Your words and your actions, the two of them, it is what will help you build trust in the future. If I know that whatever you say you are going to do, it will help me. The Igbo say that you can't be learning how to use left hand when you are old. Like, that's a very difficult thing to do. But when you start when you are younger to cultivate all these habits, you'll be respected in your 20s. There is no doubt. If someone knows that, oh, if this girl says she's going to do this, then trust me, she's going to do it. Even as a Christian, that should be your number one paramount thing you should learn from the Father. Each time he says, let God be true and all man liars, that's because of what he has said. He said, instead of my words not to come to pass, let heaven and earth do what? Pass away. He created the world you are in with his words. That's how much your words carry. In your tongue lies the power of life and death. Your words should always carry weight and it should always matter. Moving on to the next point, learn to take responsibility as early as you can. Every other person is to be blamed in this life but yourself. Why? You always think you are not the problem. You are perfect. I'm not saying you are not. But sometimes introspect, what is my quota in this thing? Why did this thing turn out to be this way? Is there anything that I could have done better? Is there anything that I could have done to change the outcome? Is there anything that I contributed as to why this thing turned out to be this way? That is what you have to continuously ask yourself day in, day out. Learn to take responsibility. Nobody's going to take it for you. Learn to be in charge. Wear the 5 magic words as a shield. If you don't know the 5 magic words, I will tell you. There are 5 magic words. There are 5 magic words that I know. Please excuse me. Sorry. Thank you. And the last one, pardon me. I don't know why some people feel like it is an award not to say I'm sorry. Girl, you are traumatized. That I'm telling you that I'm sorry does not make me a lesser person. It will not remove any chunk of anything out of your body. Stop blaming your parents. Stop blaming your roommates. Stop blaming your siblings. That thing you're complaining about, stand up and do it. Oh, the room is always dirty. Do it. Learn to take responsibility. To your friends, be accountable to people early on. It will help you in business, in personal life, in relationships. Because you might actually be the reason why that relationship fell apart. On to the next point. I think I've spent so much time here. The next point is time management. You can gain anything in this life back, but you see your time. Time is your number one commodity that you cannot get back. There is no way 16th of August 2009 will still come back again. Never. See yesterday that passed, it cannot come again. It cannot appear again. That's all that I can say. When you have it in mind, what can I do today? How can I manage my time today? Who do I spend my time talking to? Why am I spending hours with something that will not yield anything? On to the last point here. We are coming to the end of the video. The last tip is have uncompromised values. Let your values be uncompromised. I think now I am so particular about that. I just wish I knew earlier. When you have those values, there are some things somebody cannot ask you to. Oh, nature cannot do that. They already know that's your value. That's your stance on things. Don't even try to cover it up that, oh, it's not like that. Let nobody think out of the head of their man that it is okay to do certain things to you. No. Have values. Write your non-negotiables. Be audible. Speak out about what you value. Learn about it. Learn about yourself. Learn. Try as much as possible to learn about yourself. Learn what you like. Learn the values that you want to keep. Let me give you a bonus point. In your 20s, learn to surround yourself with people you want to be like. You can't be trying to get your finances right, and the only people you are following are gossip blogs. Come on, girl. Your social media page can be curated. Like, if you're scrolling through my social media page, I'm not sure I can see anything about football because I have no interest in that. But there are some people you go, that's the only thing that you can see, and that's it. There are 1 billion users on these apps that we use. Curate the one you want. You want to be seeing things about finances. You want to be seeing things about self-development. You want to improve yourself. You want to improve your self-esteem, your confidence, your this, your that. Find those people and follow them. There is a way the algorithm works. It brings more of them to you. And if that's what you feed your brain with, that's what you feed your mindset on. Surround yourself with love, real one. Now, let me say that I'm trying to get into the corporate world. How am I going to enter into a corporate world when all the people I follow are full-time content creators that stay at home? But that's how you surround yourself with people that will make an impact in your life. You can get mentorship just from observing what they do, how they dress, how they speak, their takes on things. That's mentorship from the sideline. You already know. Make sure you watch my video on tiny habits. Dear 20s, you will unravel beautifully. I'm saying this to myself. I'm saying this to you out there. You have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did creating it. Till we see next time. Bye.